Hey, this week we're at Toro, and I am here with Sean. Sean's going to be talking to us about the new line of snow blowers, which are right here. So, Sean, take it away.
So here we have our 21-inch Power Clear Power Edge auger system. This is a single stage unit. It's got one battery port here. This unit comes with a 7.5 amp hour battery with car clearing capacity of roughly 9 to 12 cars. This machine is incredibly efficient. It's got the Power Edge patented technology, the steel auger, which moves the snow through seamlessly through the housing and up through the chute. It's got an incredibly bright LED lighting system. It's got eco mode to taper down the RPMs to extend battery life on this particular machine. And it's got the shoe control here, making it easy for the user to move the snow where they please to move it. So,
how many inches of snow, Sean, would you recommend for someone?
I would say height-wise, you're looking at between 9 and 12 inches of snow. It's capable of moving. You know, I would say this is an incredibly efficient, incredibly light machine, a machine that any homeowner can really get behind and use.
Okay, so where do we go from here?
Yeah, so let's move up the ladder a little bit and let's go to our two-stage machine. This is our 60-volt two-stage machine. If you come in here, you'll see this has 3 battery ports. When these machines are sold at retail, they're going to come with 2 batteries, but you've got the option to put a 3rd battery in there. You know, I think what makes Toro machines so special are really 3 key value propositions that we have on these machines. First is going to be our quick stick shoe control. See how seamless that is, how easy that is to move the chute? That makes it easier for the customer to direct the snow wherever they choose to direct it. If you come down here, excuse us, you've got one of the most unique value propositions that we have, and that is a system that comes with no shear pins, a shear pinless design. What happens is, if you encounter a rock or a brick or a big chunk of ice, instead of breaking the shear pins and the consumer having to go in and change those shear pins in the bristling cold, this machine recognizes when one of those objects is hit, it will shut the machine off and you don't have to go and change your shear pins. So it's a really fascinating design, making it easy for the customers to get through the job and get it done quick. As you can see here, an LED light on this particular machine. This machine has hand warmers. You're going to get anywhere between 24 to 30 cars of clearing capacity out of this particular machine. It's a 2-stage machine, so it's really good. It's going to bulldoze that snow. As you can see, we've got 20 inches of height and 26 inches of clearing width. So this is really a machine for those deep snows, those heavy snows. It's really meant to get the job done.
Here I see some battery information.
Yes. So here you have the Eco button, which will do the same as the single stage machine and taper down RPMs to extend the battery life. These are battery indicators helping you see and understand how much battery is left in the machine as it's running.
Where do we go from here?
So we're going to go to our all-new single stage self-propelled Power Clear snowblower.
Nice.
The beauty of this machine is for those customers who've experienced our single stage gas machine, this is identical with the exception of the power source. What makes this machine so unique is, as you can see, it's got rubber paddles and a flexible scraper blade. What that does is that ensures that this machine is constantly making contact with the ground. And what that does for the consumer is that's going to ensure a clean sweep so you have no leftover snow in your path, and it's going to propel them forward, making it easier for the customer to operate this machine. This particular machine comes with 2 battery ports. In the residential model, it comes with 2 batteries, a 7.5 and a 2.5 amp hour battery. It's got 15 cars worth of car clear, 15 car clearing capacity. And it's got the LED lights here to keep things bright in the dark. This is a new and exciting product. This whole lineup is incredibly comprehensive and one that is versatile in nature. I would recommend they visit Toro.com.
Perfect.
Toro.com.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.